Hey there. So now we are going to break down the fingerprint scanner module. So this here on the screen is a fingerprint scanner module. So let us understand what are the parts and what are the components of this fingerprint scanner module and how it is used. So starting from the front side, in the front side it has only three modules, that is scanning window, an optical sensor, and LED light inside the scanner. So what how exactly it is used? A scanning window is a glass surface here on the front part of the sensor, and this area is where you place the finger. So it will capture your fingerprint image, and it works using optical sensing like light plus image capture. So inside this, the behind this, there is the hidden glass which will take the picture of our fingerprint, like it will capture rigits and patterns of our fingerprint, like your fingerprint is unique, right? That is what it reads, the optical sensor inside this module. So between that there is a LED light that is inside the scanner. So in this part there will be an LED light that is a light source. That is where the light comes to capture your image, that illuminates your fingers, and it will help the sensor capture a clear image. So only these three are here. So the actual game changers are in the back side. So when you turn it back, it looks something like this. So here the big chip, which has many connections, is actually a main controller IC. So it is large chip like AS606, which is what we are using here, and it is a brain of this fingerprint scanner module. So what it does is it will process the fingerprint image and converts them into a digital data, and it will match that image with the stored one. So it is so advanced that it will process your image and it will convert them into the digital data, and it will match those fingerprints with the fingerprints which are stored. So that is how this will be working. And the black chip here, this has a built-in storage, so it can store all the fingerprint um images which you have given while giving the input data. So there is no need for external memory for this. And the connector ports here is a white socket here is a connector port. So this is where it is used to connect the scanner to the microcontroller or to the computers. So it will send the data plus power. So it will receive the power and send the data, and it is connected to the Arduino or other boards whichever we are using. So this is how these two components will be working. So here we have voltage regulator. The black colored box here, it controls the voltage. Usually it is 3.3 volts to 5 volts, and it will protect the module from getting short circuited. And now we have some small rectangular blocks all over, which are resistors and capacitors. So these tiny components all around will stabilize power and control the current inside this sensing module. So altogether, we have one big blue colored chip as PCB board. So PCB board means printed circuit board. It will connect all the components and handle signals and routings. So when there is, how it works actually. So when you place your finger on this glass, it will sense and capture your image. That is, sensors will capture the image, and at the back side the controllers will process it and match it with the stored data, which is stored image. And if it is matching with the stored one, then the access will be granted. If not, the access will be denied. So that is how it is used. So where exactly is this used? So it is used in phone unlocking systems and smart door locks, and in attendance system. That is where the fingerprint scanner module is used. So in a quick form, we can say that the front side is used to scan the fingerprint, and in the back side it is used to process the data and to store the data. So in the easy memory, we can say that, so when you place the finger here, it will scan the finger and it will process this the image, and it will match with what we have stored, and it will decide to grant the access or no. So that is how the fingerprint scanner module is working. So in this video we learned how this fingerprint scanner module will work in a very simple form. So that's it for now. See you in the next video, robot builders.